what can you actually say about ErDi? Many, many months ago, I called ErDi, teacher ErDi. He kept responding, I'm not a teacher, I'm not a teacher. He was unaware that I was actually watching him on many Facebook Live broadcasts, and he was teaching. He was inspiring. With a big smile on the true project-based teacher's face. Now, along the way, he was invited to Webtalk. He didn't see what it truly was until many months after he signed up. It's okay. Most of humanity's the same way. Not Coach Lutz. We go to the present moment, December 2020. He is now Mr. Webtalk. Because he is a true giver and loves to receive from humanity. Why does he want to receive, Mr. Webtalk? Because he's here to support his wife and family as he lives his life. So whatever he receives from Webtalk will be to support his family, and Webtalk is his family extended. Understand how empowering that human being is, laying down, resting his legs, as someone who is, every second that I live in the 24-hour period, I see inspiring and motivational videos, content in Webtalk, posts, that he's a major influencer in the world right now in the 21st century. Mr. Webtalk, ErDi, Olga, his wife, and to all the Webtalk family, thank you for supporting Mr. Webtalk as he enjoys giving to you. He looks forward to meeting you in interviews and discussing, asking questions one at a time. And we will also support you as well. Once you meet him, I see it, I go to you. I will support all individuals that understand what Mr. Webtalk is actually creating. So